Dear friends, Corona is not going to end soon. So here are some precautions given by Indian Council of Medical Research, New Delhi. Please follow them and pass it on to maximum people you can.
First, postpone travel abroad for 2 years. Second, do not eat outside food for 1 year. Third, do not go to unnecessary marriage or other similar ceremony. Fourth, do not take unnecessary travel trips. Fifth, do not go to a crowded place for at least 1 year. Sixth, completely follow social distancing norms. 7. Stay away from a person who has cough or fever. 8. Keep the face mask on. 9. Be very careful in the current 1 week. 10. Do not let any mess around you. 11. Prefer vegetarian food. 12. Do not go to the cinema, mall and crowded market for 6 months now. If possible, park, party, etc. should also be avoided. 13. Increase immunity. 14. Be very careful while at barber shop or at beauty salon parlor. 15. Avoid unnecessary meetings. Always keep in mind social distancing. 16. The threat of corona is not going to end soon. 17. Don't wear belt, rings, wristwatch when you go out. Watch is not required. Your mobile has got time. 18. No handkerchief. Take sanitizer and tissue if required. 19. Don't bring the shoes into your house. Leave them outside. 20th. Clean your hands and legs when you come home from outside. 21st. When you feel you have come nearer to a suspected patient, take a thorough bath. Lockdown or no lockdown next 6 months to 12 months, please follow these precautions. Share this with all your family and friends. Thank you.